How to check all stories on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Simply click on Gallery option on Snapchat, where all the videos and photos are stored. In here on top, you'll find Stories option beside Camera Roll and My Eyes Only. Click on Stories, and here you will find all your old stories. If you don't find your stories in here, simply go back, click on your profile on top left corner, and then click on Settings on top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, search for My Data. Click on My Data, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply uncheck all the options except for turn on Export Your Memories Chat Media. Simply after you've done that, confirm your email, select Date Range and submit. After you submit it, Snapchat will send you file to your mail. In there you'll find all your stories, and this is how to check all stories on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.